Okay, everyone, this is the all-new Ford Mustang. So, iti-demo ko ulit kung paano nabuhay yung mga ilaw natin. So, time to press the lock one. Yan. That's lock. This is unlock. This is going to be, yan. Bit of a pulsating na moment for the DRLs. But this is the Ford Mustang. Here we go. And uunahin ko na kayo, yung unit na meron lang dito sa Ford Commonwealth as of now is a 2.3 liter na EcoBoost engine. For transparency reasons, ako ay nadismaya kasi ang nakala ko yung unit na meron sila dito is yung 5.0 liter V8. Despite all dun sa mga hopes and dreams that was falsified, eto na lang, dyan muna tayo magsisettle. Magsisettle ako sa isang appointment within a 5 liter V8 model unit. Stay tuned for that one. Hindi rin ako makakapag-drive ng Ford Mustang today, but I have driven one right before actually. But as much as possible, gusto ko sanang hintayin yung magde-demo dito ng proper ways. But this one is going to be a first impression one. So let's go for a first impression point of view kung ano yung ino-offer ng Ford Mustang. But needless to say, hindi ko pa na-unlock yung vehicle itself. We can actually do this one, the keyless entry. Yeah. The car is locked, so as long as na nandito sa akin yung susi, you can unlock the car by holding this one. Yan. You hear the click, and actually unlocks the steering wheel. Nice. There you go. This is the interior of the Ford Mustang. So, ngayon pala ako makakapag-review ng Ford Mustang, guys. So, please bear with me. Yeah. They kept the old traditional na grab handle when you open it. So, still this one. Obviously, yung central locking natin dito is just by press of a button. Let's go. Yeah. Yan, may nakakanta ng happy birthday. So, this is the time. I have to... It is now time to step inside the vehicle. Oh my god, ang baba. Okay, yeah, manually adjusted nga pala yung natin dito, mga seats. Yan. So here we go. This is my first impressions of the Ford Mustang. And okay, walang pinagbago dun sa mga dimensions. Sabihin natin kung 2.3 man lang yung yung ordering niya with the Ford Mustang. Ayan. Ganyan rin kahaba yung hood natin. And by God, yung natin yung Recaro seats natin dito is really hugging me through the sa mga bewang ko. Wow. Ayun inaakap ako eh. Ayan. Ito yung tsura ng Recaro seats ng passenger seat. Right over there. Yeah, I'm just really wanted to wait yung gusto mag-demo nito. So, well, unfortunately, this whole time na nag-video ko, walang nag-demo kasi lahat sila ay busy. And yes, lahat ng magagaling talaga na magde-demo for this vehicle ay mga agents. There are no trainers. Probably I'm wrong for this one, baka hindi ko lang alam. But yun, as far as I know, sila yung mga magagaling at mga utak na marunong mag-demo ng Ford Mustang. They're all busy. And as much as possible, let's wait for his expertise, syempre. Right, I can technically turn it on to give you a oh shit. Yeah, they don't care about us. Oh fuck, stop it. There you go. Oh look, pwede daw ang child seats. Nice. Close. Yeah. Alarm system. Turn off motion sensors. Yes. It's not. Ayan. Wow, look at this one. Parang frameless na yung auto rear dimming review mirror natin. Tapos yan, meron tayong sunglass holder. Yep. Nice. Tapos ayan. Mayroon tayong ambient lighting right over here. Yan. And then these are the headlight controls, just like the Everest and the Raptor and the Ranger. Yan, pare-parehas lang sila. But yeah. Ano to? Is this supposed to be carbon fiber finish? No, probably not. Tweeters, mid-range speakers. Not sure kung anong brand nito. But yeah, I think I just saw na BO design. Yeah, probably that's yeah, this one. Ito pala yung mga speakers yan. Yan yung design niya. Nice. Okay. And tapos may nameplate. A bit of a small nameplate dito. You see that? Yung Mustang. Tapos yan. Yan yung mga tweeters once again.
Those are not tweeters. Hindi ko rin alam.
Yan. Ito yung cabin look natin. Ito yung 2+2 seats. 2+2 meaning pag ganun yung configuration, most likely ang mga uupo sa likod is mga kids lang. Yan. So, yun yung ano natin, definition of a 2+2 seats. Kasi, yeah, option. Ako 5'5" na ako para palagi ko hindi yan ako kakasya dyan. So, yan. Yan. But you know what? I think I can drive this one.
Well, naalala nyo ba yung sinabi ko earlier within this video?
I have driven one right before, actually. GT500. Wow, the brakes.
Brembo, baby.
Oh, shit.
Nararamdaman mo na?
Nararamdaman. Go for it. Where's the manual? Ito?
Oo.
Downshift. And
Oh shit, okay gago.
okay.
Yun na yun, hindi.
I see an opening right there. Sarap gago. Lumabas pre.
Let's go. Let's go outside first. Siyempre, since nakita naman natin yung loob, tingnan naman natin yung headlights kung paano umandar ito. So, just do a bit of a reverse this one. And then, balik ulit natin sa ano, yeah, tingnan natin yung labas nito. Right, let's go. So these are the headlights. They are now full operational. And since binuksan ko kasi yung ano na nito, yung on position, ayan, there are no fog lights as of now. Kasi yan, same goes right over here, obviously. And syempre, sisilipin naman natin yung hazard switch. Hazard switch. It's time to turn it on. Going back to the vehicle itself. Climbing in once again. Oh, okay. Yeah. Hazard switch is now on. Ah, look at this. Ganito pala umandar yung hazard switch nito. Hey, really unique. I really like yung ano nito, yung design ng taillights. It goes inwards rather than being flat. And they kept it red. Kahit nakapatay yan. Same goes with this one. Yan. Yan, ganun yung ano natin, yung turn signals natin dito. Bunch of cameras right over here. And syempre, ito yung reverse lights. Hindi ko siya madedemo as of now kasi wala, hindi ko siya masishift into reverse. Tapos yung third brake light right over there at the top. So, hindi nga naman na tayo ng full access nga naman ng ano, ng susi. So, hindi natin paglaruan yung ano natin dito, acceleration timer. Look at that. So, these, pinindot ko kasi my Mustang right over here. Tapos yung ano natin, may mga lap timer pa dito. Kung pupunta ka ng BRC o kung Clark International Circuit, yan, pwede yan. You can actually view the auxiliary gauges dito onto the center screen. So, ayun. Nice. Tapos voltmeters right over there. Tapos custom mode. Wow, look at that. Adaptive dampers. Sport mode. Ito, ano pa to? Track. Tapos yung drag, yan. Oh my god. Tapos slippery mode. Tapos yan. Tapos yung steering natin, you can put it on sport. Tapos, oh, that's not the steering wheel. Comfort, yan. Tapos on. Tapos the traction control. Let's not do that. Yeah, just put it on. Tapos yung exhaust natin dito, I don't recommend doing that kasi this is just a 2.3 liter. But yeah, this one, wow. Okay. What is this supposed to do? So yan, hindi lang siya nagdi-display lang dito kasi syempre hindi umaandar siya sa akin eh. But yun, yung sport, siguro ito yung lalabas kapag nilagay mo siya sa sport mode. Yan, perhaps ganyan yung ano, yung titignan niya. Tapos, okay. Ambient lighting since kanina ay naka-yellow. You can put it on violet. Yan. Kanina kasi dito yun eh. Yan, nakikita natin. Yan. Tapos, ayun o. Nag-iba na yung ano, naging violet na siya. Nice. Is that supposed? Okay. Right. Nice. So, here it goes. Yan. Yes. Yes. Everything's yes. Yan. Yung mga animation ng Ford Mustang. There you go. Para mabuksan natin yung ano natin, hood. Buksan natin to. Yan. 3-spoke steering wheel nga naman dito. Flat bottom steering wheel. Tapos yan. Is this supposed to be carbon fiber weave? Yan. Yan siguro dito. Tapos ang tigas na side bowstrings ha. Very very harsh to the design. Tapos meron tong ano a bit of a great feeling nga naman sa ano, sa paddle shifters natin. Okay. Nice. Cruise controls on to the left, tapos adaptive, yes. Tapos yung mga audio controls is on the right. It is no longer the old traditional round steering wheel. So ayan. Right. And syempre frameless windows meron na tayo dyan. So it's time to look at the engine.
Well, ito lang ang tanging na-offer ng Ford Commonwealth for us for today's video. The 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, and it is an inline 4, 319 PS at 5,500 RPM, and obviously with a 475 Nm of torque at 3,000 RPM. It is mated with a 10-speed select shift automatic transmission, yes po, with the paddle shifters as seen earlier. Tapos, obviously, it is a rear-wheel drive with limited slip differential. Just sit tight, just subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to do my best para makakuha ko ng V8 version of this Ford Mustang. So, ayun lang.
Siyempre, let's go to the tires and wheels. So, wheels and tires nga pala, ang mga sukat nito is a 255 by 40, tapos 19-inch yung pwede nyo isaksak na max wheels dito. This is a Pirelli P0 tires. It is really, really famous for putting these onto the, sabihin natin, like pony cars, two-door coupes, and so on and so forth. Siyempre, ano natin, nakameron na tayong Brembo brakes right over here. Yeah, like over there. Tapos it is a 5-lug nut spec, but yeah, it is finished with a gun gray metallic na wheels finish. Yan. So ayun lang naman yung ano na dito. Siyempre kung titignan natin sa likod, probably it's a way different na ano, na tire spec. Wait lang. This is a 255 by 40, tapos 19-inch na ano na tire spec. Tapos 96Y. Mag-search kayo sa Google kung ano yung ano ibig sabihin ng 96Y sa ano natin, tire specs natin. But when it comes to Y, alam ko lumalagpas na to ng 280 km/h. Yun yung potential speeds ng tires natin. So there you go. And then syempre, ito yung ano natin, fuel door natin. Easy fuel na siya, so isusundot na lang, wala na siyang cap. Ayan, 91 plus. But I highly suggest na kahit sabihin natin EcoBoost to, mag-blaze pa rin kayo. So, yeah. But obviously, in the V8, use the blaze mode. And then, this is for the trunk. That's, meron ako na-discover doon actually. So, mabilis lang namin ito i-start. So, the demo ko sa inyo yung ano, yung, ang tawag dito, remote start feature ng Ford Mustang. So, double lock natin. Tingnan natin yung mas-start. Ayun, nice. Yan lang. Yan lang ang remote start ng Ford Mustang. So, that is a 2.3 EcoBoost lang ha. So, sana kung V8 yun, it might rumble around the place. But, ayun lang naman. So, ito times to call it. Pipindutin natin yung ano, for the trunk release. Yan. Ito tayo sa likod. And here it is. Ito yung remote ano natin. So yan, there's a decent space nga naman dito sa storage right over there. Yan. Ano naman, okay naman. No clamor at all. So meron siyang spare tire, hindi lang nakalagay as of the moment. Tapos meron siyang onboard na compressor. Okay. Probably isasaksak yan sa ano, sa ano ang tawag dito sa outlets. Yan. And for additional accessories, syempre, for a decent na ano na speaker system natin, meron siyang ano onboard na subwoofer. So yun lang naman. Okay. By the way, this is a safety feature. Kapag sabihin natin wag naman sana, pero pag someone stuck dito sa compartment, ayan, hihilain lang nila to, then yun, magkakaroon siya na access to open the compartment door. There we go. Let's close it up. Yeah, very smooth closing, but ayun lang naman. And look at the quad tail pipes. There you go. And there you go. And even though it's a 2.3, at least naglagay siya ng quad tail pipes. But yeah, lalagyan ko yung impression ng Ford Mustang right over there. Yeah. So thank you very much, guys. Like and comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you very much for everyone for the support. Take care. Goodbye.